Ebyo kwirinda kooti ya Kanungu byaba binywezibwe ubwo Emishango ya Hamlet Kabushenga yadira hari wirikiniza natwasa honesty na Nyamushana Elina yaba negendo misho aba baretwa misho gumuramuzi okushomerwa Emishango yabo.
Next week, the resolution dated 8 April 2021 purporting that the board of directors of Greatex Regional University Limited had held a meeting and appointed Natpasa Honesty
Hamlet Kabushenga atwire na hakanise cyakoze rw'abajungu abatwira amashomero na nebitongore bya chief code ngo bakamwihaho ubushobozi bwe babutoma mukono ya wirikiniza natwasa honesty na Nyamushana Elina obuyaba nahoza nabo.
Investigations have been concluded. Today they have been charged a second time with 5 counts including forgery, uttering false documents, and conspiracy. And they already have another file for which they are on trial at the Buganda Road Court. There are many offenses. The headmasters are still running our schools illegally.
Omuhorereza wa wirikiniza na Nyamushana yashaba umuramuzi okubaho kwemererwa ninga Scott Bail kandi yahakanisa ibiru kubajunanwa.
Exactly what came up today as a criminal case against individuals who are directors in entities within this matrix of events. So these individuals have taken plea, have been granted bail. We shall have the case heard on the 22nd.
Omushango ugu gwayengeze bwayo okusibira 22 ebyo kwezi kwa kane umwaka uguru kwija ogw'enkumi 2023 amakuru agagasha kwa Hweza Wilfred ahabwa TV West.